Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients so ratios stay consistent. 2 tablespoons Desi Ghee, 1 tablespoon almond oil, and 1 teaspoon beeswax. Place a clean glass bowl over simmering water. This gentle heat preserves nutrients. Once the beeswax softens, stir slowly to combine. You want a clear, uniform liquid so the cream emulsifies later. Make sure to maintain low heat. High heat destroys aroma and beneficial fatty acids. This step sets the texture and skin feel for the finished cream. Once the melted mixture reaches around 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, take it off the heat so it won't overcook. You then add optional actives: 5 drops vitamin E or 3 drops lavender oil for antioxidant and soothing benefits. These are temperature sensitive, so timing matters. Start whisking briskly, or use a hand blender for 30 to 60 seconds, which entrains air and creates a light, spreadable texture. Make sure to keep blending until the mixture thickens and begins to turn opaque. You now pour the cream into a sterilized jar and let it cool at room temperature before refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours to fully set. Cooling controls crystal formation and gives a smooth finish. Make sure to label with date and use within 3 months. Always patch test to avoid irritation. If you notice separation later, rewarm gently in a double boiler to liquefy, then re-emulsify with a hand blender. This fixes texture without losing the active properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.